Today, 12th of July, parts of London were hit by flash floods as thunderstorms began to spread across the UK. Although clearer and sunnier weather is expected later this week, residents in the south of England have been warned to prepare for heavy rains on Monday evening. Weather forecaster Sarah Kent said there was 60 millimeters of rain in just a few hours in southwest England Monday night. The London Fire Brigade said it had received over 150 calls from southwest London residents reporting flooding. Emergency services arrived at Rains Park when several vehicles got stuck under the rising water. Commuter passengers were also caught off guard at Highgate in North London. The Met Office has issued a yellow rain warning that lasts until Monday midnight and covers areas south of Peterborough. During a flood, don't go outside unnecessarily. Avoid walking on floodwaters and be especially careful on the roads, the message also says. One of the main risks of climate change in London is flooding due to more intense summer rains. Meanwhile, lighter precipitation is predicted in northern England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland.